It's a farewell train right on time. I wouldn't mind one of those. The price on fuel today. One of those to see me right for a while. Yeah. They come up from Milford Haven, from the oil refinery down there, every morning. But where they go, I don't know. I'm assuming they're going to Cardiff. I don't know. But yeah, every morning. Jake, pack it in. Jake, get up. I don't need digging. So yeah, that's where we come down over there. From woods. Down the side of the lake. Well, down the middle. And two geese just sat there now. Very shallow there. So we're heading. Jake. Tell you what, so many. Jake, pack it in. Come on. I don't want him. Well, he is black already. He might have to go back in the lake and clean him off. On you go. So yeah, this is my walk now. I'm on the main cycle path in the park. So yeah, you know, you can walk this, and it's a good walk. If I go up around the top, around the headland, up towards Pembrey, cracking. You got a lot of people using it early in the morning. Some of them cycling down to work in Llanelli. Some of them just getting the exercise in before they actually go back home and go to work, get ready to go to work. But yeah, that building in the trees there. Now we're heading towards a building. Now you'll see the top of it there. That is pavilion. There's changing rooms for the football fields there and tennis courts. There's also a cafeteria. So you can sit outside there, nice. Told you, there's the village over there. Not big, but you got everything you want there. You got 3 pubs, a restaurant, pizza hut, no, not pizza hut, as in pizza hut, but a shop that makes pizzas. You got a normal shop, so you got everything you want there. So yeah, this is just a short one, peeps. No drama, just me enjoying my walks with my dog in the sunshine this morning. As it happens, a cyclist on a path, yeah. I think it's a woman. But yeah, it's pretty good all round. Pretty nice area for it, so it is what it is, as you say. And like I told you, if you want drama, don't watch me, because I'm boring. It's just me and the dog walking around the countryside. So that's giving you a view of this part of Wales. So I'm trying to build up a channel of like-minded people who just like to get out. No rows. Geese are vocal there. I was saying to you earlier, I said about the shag. He's sitting just there. I just make him out. And the swan is topping, feeding. There you are. You see his backside sticking up. There he comes. So yeah, the difference. Family thinks that a shag and a cormorant are the same birds. They're not. They look very much alike, but the shag is lighter coloured bill, lighter coloured chest, where the cormorant like has all dark plumage, you know. So yeah, they are totally different. I think the shag is a little bit smaller than the cormorant. So he's over there. I think they're going to take off now. There they are, flying down the other way. There of the geese making a racket. I'm letting him have a good run today, a good walk, because he'll be going up there, although they've got a self-contained big area for him to run around loose. It's a fact that he's so loving. He doesn't like being away from me or the wife, so I want to give him the best, not to freak him out too much being away for 9 days, you know. So he'll have other dogs. They're all loose in the house, and they put him in the paddock and to run around. So it's the best I can give him, you know. I gotta be honest, I will miss him. 9 days away from him, I will miss him. He keeps me, I wouldn't say fit, because I'm nowhere near fit, but with him I got to get up in the morning and I've got to walk him, and that keeps me going. Otherwise I think I'd go mad. So another cyclist coming down the path, so I'm going to have to be careful with Jake. Don't want him running out and this fella coming off his bike. He's pretty good though, he does listen. But yeah. Right, this is me finishing now. I'll give you a last little look around. I'm stopping here. Like I said, that's the village. Sun's up now. This is the cycle path. It is quite a long, good few miles. I think it's about 8-9 miles long. So, come on buddy. Come on, let's go. Oh. Come on bud, this way, this way. Jake, sit down boy. Sit. Sit. There's my boy. Put your ear down. Super intelligent. Sit down. He's a good dog. Let me do your ear. Come here. There we are. Sit. Come here. Sit. I got to introduce you to him. There he is. Handsome fellow. Anyway, huh? So that's him. And that's me out. Bye.